This video shows you how to generate IRS Form 1099-DA, digital asset proceeds from broker transactions, using the Docker image available from ITIPS. Additional information about Form 1099-DA generation is available at our website, form1099da.com. After purchasing a license for the Docker image, download from GitHub the data model files from the URL shown. Then, download the client code from the second repository shown here. To generate Forms 1099-DA, you first assemble the form data in one of 4 file formats. Use the format that works best for you. Format number 1 is a JSON file of the data in the FDX TaxStatement data structure. Format number 2 is a JSON file of the data in a map data structure. Format number 3 is a comma-separated values file containing the data. Format number 4 is a spreadsheet file containing the data. The first data format is a JSON representation of the tax statement object, as seen in this sample file. The second format is a map of key-value pairs. The keys consist FDX property names flattened using dot separators. You may find it easier to prepare your data in this format. Notice that the second and subsequent digital asset sales increment the sale number shown in the key. The third format is a CSV file that uses the keys used in the map structure in the first row and the data values in the subsequent rows. Each row represents one digital asset sale. The issuer and recipient information are repeated in each row. The fourth format is a spreadsheet file with the same structure as a CSV file. In the marshallers package of the project, you will find code that you customize to pull data from your database or file system and populate the required data structure. Each of the properties in the structures are listed, even though some of them may not apply. Once you have created the data file in one of the prescribed formats, you start the Docker container and submit an HTTP post to the service running in the container. Start the Docker container. You may ignore the warning messages shown. Then, using the HTTP client provided, post a data file to the running app and capture the response as seen here. You may also use the interface provided by opening a browser and going to the upload screen. If you have purchased the Java SDK, you may generate PDFs using a Java program that you create, compile, and run. In the producer's package, you will find code that generates PDFs independent of the Docker image. Modify the code as needed and compile and run on your system. Contact us at support@itips.info with questions or suggestions for enhancements to our Docker application.